Little Geo Vegas here again. Here's my husband. Hey, Pa. We're heading to town again to get some stuff. Kumusta mo tanan dara? Hi mga kachada. Just so tired today. Just get off from work. I work starts at 5 a.m. and then I get off almost 4 p.m. It's pretty busy today. It's tiring. Pero laban lang, you know. Anak man yun. Now, one thing I really admire with Filipinos, we are so very resilient, you know. Isang kapoy na kaayo sa life, sa trabaho, you know, laban lang yun. But still, at the end of the day, grateful pa din. Kamu diha guys, kumusta man mo? Kumusta kayo dyan? Okay lang ba ang mga buhay-buhay natin dyan? As for here, it's summertime, so very hot pa din. I'm excited for fall kasi para hindi na siya mainit and just to enjoy the weather, you know. But summer here in Vegas is really like, it's very hot. And para lagi kang nasa oven, lagi kasi init, lagi na. Anyway, ano pa bang ano? Yun lang ang ganap ko sa life ngayon. Work, and then, oh, it's my Friday today. So tomorrow, it's my day off. And then, just get enjoy it. So that's my husband right there. Looks like a terrorist, huh? Because of his beard. Trust me guys, hindi ko ganahan, pero one fact about him, whatever I don't like, he's gonna do it. And you know, whatever is gonna annoy me, he's gonna continue doing it. So, ganun siya. Anyway, ano lang guys, positive vibes lang tayo lagi, kahit pagod, kahit minsan, sometimes minsan give up ka na, but then again, you know, si Lord na bahala sa lahat. Siya na talaga, whatever, you know. Ang ano lang natin is you just have to remain positive, joyful, thank the Lord for everything. Ganun lang. I hope you guys are okay, and I hope you guys enjoy. There was a fire. And anyway, enjoy your day. Ano mga ginagawa niyo sa mga bahay-bahay niyo dyan. You guys are okay. I'm gonna see you again on my next video. I hope you guys like and subscribe, even though it's boring. But, you know, like I said, I'm just sharing my daily experience here in the US. Ayo mo diya sa akong mga kabayan sa Cagayan de Oro, as always. Proud Cagayanon here. I miss my family. I miss you, my friends as well. Ayo mo, ingat kayong lahat sa mga kababayan ko. Ingat kayo lahat. Till next time guys. Bye. Peace, love.